Ever wonder why some online stores pop up first on Google while others get buried? Are your product pages not driving enough sales? Let's talk about SEO tips to boost your e-commerce store's product visibility. Your product pages need properly optimized images. Use long-tail keywords and include them naturally in titles, meta descriptions, and image alt text. It allows you to target specific buyer phrases in your titles and descriptions. Stop copying the manufacturer's text. Write descriptions that answer real customer questions and highlight what makes your product better. Keep them real and watch your rankings climb. Compress your images using faster hosting. Add schema markup for product details, such as price, ratings, and availability. Focus on good keywords, unique descriptions, fast pages, and structured data. Stick to clean, simple URLs, and regularly check for broken links. Use fast loading, properly named images that won't slow down your site. Include titles people actually search for. Add a special code called structured data. When you do this right, your products will appear in the search results with prices, ratings, and availability. Customer reviews add fresh content, build trust, and naturally include keywords. To stay ahead, encourage reviews on your product pages. It will help your products rank higher and sell better. Want your store to rank higher and sell more? Like, subscribe, and share with someone ready to grow their e-commerce business.